This grand opening. Thanks to your help, my little shop will be opening today. I'll get it beans first. Cause beans for life. I'm gonna put this. This thing doesn't do much except will give me like 2 trees. I'm gonna put this like here. It's a little different from my previous game, but you know, doesn't matter. There. Don't that look nice? Don't that look nice? Once I get other stuff, it will matter. Alright. They'll appear tomorrow. Meanwhile, let's grab this. Let's get all the new trees. Look at that. Wait. I see something up there. It's a towel! Get over here. Oh yes! Okay, I gotta put that down. Like ASAP. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, that is the guy I need to upgrade. The tools, you know, the furniture, everything I used to cook. I have finally gotten the workshop, man. Yes. Wood. Here. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, I want to put him... No, he's a lumberjack. He's kind of surrounded by forest. Maybe I'll play around with this. I'm gonna move this up. Well, I'll move him down or hit him. Yes. Okay. Yep. Alright, this looks weird, but you know, it's fine. Surrounded by trees. Makes more sense, right? Yeah, you know, this looks better. Yeah, this looks better. Alright. Okay. So... Time to get the shop. Time to get the shops opened. Let's go. We are open, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let's just get those things chopped. You know someone's gonna order this. Look! Right on cue. Ah. You guys saw nothing, by the way. It definitely didn't drop on the floor. Alright, let's just get out of hand, put this on the thing. Already making a mess. As usual. Some poles, put in here. Just gonna... Yeah, I bet it's the surface. There you go. Ooh, 60, that's pretty good. Good reputation too. Just wanna take a look at her, you know, take a look at her shop, see if there's anything cool. Ooh, there is something cool. Oven baked omelette. Alright, let's go squeeze some apple juice. Let the squeezing, oh, the squeezing begin. Okay, I'm pretty sure someone's gonna call for some maple fudge. Let's go do this. Alright, I'm ready for you guys to make a mess. Yes, what do you want to say? How's the food, guys? I hope everything tastes great and awesome. Oh wait, I do need to make I think we have, you know, no one saw that. Pick it up. And voila! So they look, you know, fresh. Yes, and I got it done so fast. Look, guys, yes, I was just really quickly preparing it. Enjoy! By the way, there's no toilet in this restaurant, so if you need, you gotta go to the edge of the world. Hey guys, still hungry? You guys wanna order anything else? Well, I'm like prepped and ready to go. I'm gonna put maple in there, because whatever I make, it's gonna need maple syrup in there. Right, time to make some more glazed ham. Try it from here. I didn't make it. Once again, breaking more of my stuff. Oh, I need to clear that dish too. You I get firewood, chop it in there. Oh, it's time to run out, that's fine. Just make sure it's quick. Give them good service. There you go. Thank you. I learned my lesson. If I see at 5, I'm not gonna do it. Well, technically, I could do it now. I just don't know if the other dishes would fit in the box. Squeeze that apple juice. Then, ready to go, just ready to go. I know they're gonna order one more thing. Right, here you go, some apple juice. Right, ready to. Let's get all this income while we can, all this revenue. So they can expand on my shop and make this place look better and get more customers. Right, get some fudge. So while it's fresh and hot. You know, like the first one I gave them. Oh, here's a nice hot maple fudge. Yeah, I'm not making that. Nope. Not gonna waste that how many dollars worth of ham. Nuh-uh, ain't doing it. Alright, I'm gonna head to the docks while it's still time to just look, you know, what they got. This a classic bit, a window square. Ah, I did come in pretty late. You can actually close the shop like any time, and you can even do it open for the day. You just don't get any money. You know what I might do? I might go harvest all those mushrooms and then sell them. I get money for it anyways. I'll clean all of this later. Those are resources that I can be earning some money now, and they are of no use at the moment since I cannot sell them. You know, like a dish in terms of a dish. So let's just do that. Mushrooms. All these plants have been watered. Have they been watered? Nope. Nope, they have not been. Okay. Good thing I checked. Right. Refuel. Any mushrooms here? None that I can see. Some ore here. I should probably start mining the ore. I'm pretty sure I can start using the ore soon. Let's get this mushroom first. Plop. blueberry behind our shop too. Yep, right there. You see that? Oh! Where's the box? Oh my god, scared me. Holy shit. Oh, I can't sell berries? Wait, what? Oh, I can. Weird. Right. Oh my god, they give me panic attack, man. If I lose that box, I cannot carry any more stuff in like sets until I actually fix up the stupid workshop. So yeah, losing the box. Not a thing I should do. Right. Being efficient. Where are those rocks? I need to mine for those ores, so I'll just want to do it like this. Okay. Give me your copper ore. Let's take a short one. This will be it for this episode. If I continue on, they're gonna spend another like 15 minutes at least to play. Actually, I'm not sure how long it takes per day. That's a good question. Well, one that will be answered once I actually look at the time and I actually check the record time. Alright, that is it. That will be the end for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye!